Today, I'm going to show you how to draft a pair of pajama shirts from scratch that fit your measurements. Since I've shared so many one-size-fits-most designs, many of you have asked how to adjust them for different sizes. Today's tutorial is the answer. I'm using these two books as references. The first one is a textbook I studied from in 1983 when I was in fashion school in South Korea. The second is the one I studied from in 1995 when I was in the United States. Today, I'm combining what I learned from these books with my own years of sewing and pattern making experience. I call this the $1 million pants pattern because once you make this basic pattern, you can use it again and again for so many future projects. This is definitely a must-have pattern to keep in your sewing collection. Let's get started. You will need paper, a tape measure, a ruler, a pencil, scissors. I'm also using these two rulers to make drafting a little easier, but they are completely optional. Now, let's get to know your body measurements. First, measure your hip circumference. Next, tie a ribbon or elastic around your natural waist to mark your waistline. Then, sit on a chair and measure your hip depth from your waistline down to the chair. Finally, measure your crotch depth from your side waistline down to the chair. Now you have everything you need and we are ready to start drafting. Now I'll be quiet so you can focus on drafting. And we are all done. Now, what kind of fabric should we use? Since this project is for college freshmen, I suggest using something meaningful to them. A favorite t-shirt, an old pillowcase they loved, or even a baby blanket they've had since they were little. That way, the pajama become more than just something to wear. But for me, I'm already heading to the fabric store. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more sewing projects. I will see you next time.